Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a cold crypto wallet. A cold wallet, also known as a hardware wallet, is a physical device that keeps your private keys offline. This method offers superior protection against online threats like hackers and viruses. It's the safest way to store your digital assets, especially for long-term investments or substantial amounts of cryptocurrency, ensuring your funds remain secure and inaccessible to unauthorized parties. Setting up your cold wallet is a crucial first step. Begin by selecting a trusted brand and always buy directly from the manufacturer to avoid compromised devices. Once you have your wallet, power it on and follow the guided setup process to create a unique PIN. The most critical step is to record your 24-word recovery phrase accurately. This phrase is your ultimate backup, so keep it secret and in a safe physical location. Performing transactions with a cold wallet is straightforward yet secure. When you need to send or receive funds, connect your hardware wallet to your computer or phone. Use the associated application to generate a receiving address for deposits. For sending, you'll initiate the transfer in the software, but the final confirmation happens directly on your wallet screen. Always double-check the recipient address on the device itself to prevent any errors or misdirection of your assets. Maintaining the security of your cold wallet requires ongoing vigilance. Your 24-word recovery phrase is paramount. Never digitize it or share it with anyone. Regularly check for and install firmware updates to ensure your device has the latest security enhancements. Always use a strong, unique PIN and enable any two-factor authentication features offered. For ultimate peace of mind, consider distributing copies of your recovery phrase in 2 or 3 separate, secure physical locations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.